I'm Andy Duong, and I'm an investor at Samsung Next. We chose to invest in Armada because we gravitate towards companies solving perennial problems. The back and forth between application development and DevOps teams will continue to grow, compounded by the growing adoption of Kubernetes, and this founding team understands that problem very well. They've been working in the containerization space since 2013, and Armada's Kyverno policy engine is the answer to the policy problem that they've been experiencing throughout that journey. The problem space was addressed partially with Kubernetes PSP, but with its deprecation back in April, there's now a vacuum for a solution, and Kyverno's recent growth momentum is indicative of their success in filling that gap. Armada caught our attention for a couple reasons. First, we were impressed by the momentum of their open source project Kyverno. Open source projects lend themselves to a more developer-first go-to-market strategy, which can help level the playing field, especially against legacy incumbents who typically focus on top-down enterprise sales. Second, Kubernetes is already hard enough to manage on its own, so a policy engine where policies are Kubernetes resources lets DevOps teams manage it in a way that is already familiar to them, and that reduces the adoption and onboarding friction. Similar to some of our other portcos in our infrastructure sector, Armada is a piece of the puzzle addressing one of the many challenges of cloud-native architecture. Players in this space that can build strong communities via open source projects tend to create for themselves a stronger developer-first go-to-market that we've seen work very well. Open source cloud-native computing has already reached the infrastructure edge, enabling millions of devices to make compute, security, networking, and storage more efficient. Policy management is even more important when we're talking about billions of deployments out in the field, especially with disaggregated cloud environments. As more edge deployments take advantage of the benefits of Kubernetes, we expect Armada to grow alongside to offload the work around policy management.